Hello friends, in this problem we have to find the interval in which this given expression is positive, and the expression is you have x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 4 minus x plus 1, and this is greater than 0. So what is the value of x in which this expression is greater than 0? So to solve this problem, let us consider the number line and we will consider different cases. So basically first we will consider x is less than 0, and another situation I will consider, that is x is equals to 0, and the next situation is when x lies between 0 and 1, that is this region. X lies between 0 and 1, and then finally if x is greater than 1, that is in this region. Equal to 1 you can also consider. So we have 4 cases and we will analyze each case separately. So let us consider case 1, that is when x is negative, x is less than 0. Now the given expression is you have x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 4 minus x plus 1. Now let us club the even powers, that is x raised to the power 12 and x raised to the power 4, and let us also keep this 1 here, and then the odd powers, that is minus x raised to the power 9 minus x raised to the power 1. Now x is a negative quantity in this case, but if you square or if you take any even power, this will become positive. This means x raised to the power 12 will be positive because x is negative, but the even power will be positive. Similarly, this will also be positive, and 1 is a positive quantity. Now what about minus x raised to the power 9? X is negative and odd power will be negative, but I have a negative sign, so this is also positive. And what about this? This is also positive because x is negative but minus x is positive. So in this case, for all values of x and the x is less than 0, this quantity is greater than 0, that is positive. Now let us consider case 2, that is when x is equals to 0. So x equals to 0, so this expression is x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 4 minus x plus 1, and now if you put x equals to 0, so this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0, so all the terms are 0 except the last term which is 1, and that is greater than 0. This means for x equals to 0 also this expression is a positive quantity. Now consider case 3, that is x lies between x is greater than 0 but less than 1. Now let us say, so the expression is x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 4 minus x plus 1. So let us keep this x raised to the power 12 at one place, but let us combine these two terms. So I will have x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 9, and these two terms we can again club together. So this is 1 minus x. Now see, x lies between 0 and 1. So this means if you raise a power, more power, lesser the number. So x raised to the power 4 and x raised to the power 9, which will be a smaller? X raised to the power 9 will be a smaller, because a number between 0 and 1, if you raise power, more power, a smaller is the number. So this means x raised to the power 9 is smaller than x raised to the power 4. This means this quantity is basically a positive quantity, and this is already positive because x lies between 0 and 1, and x lies between 0 and 1, this means 1 minus x will also be positive. This means all the three terms are positive. So in this case again this quantity is greater than 0. Now let us consider case 4, and in this case you have x is greater than equal to 1. So the expression is x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 4 minus x plus 1. Now let us club these two terms together and this two term together and 1. Now x is greater than 1, this means higher the power, larger the number. This means x raised to the power 12 is greater than x raised to the power 9. This means this quantity is positive. And this quantity is again positive because x raised to the power 4 will be greater than x. And this is positive. So this quantity is greater than 0 for any value that is greater than 1. We can also verify for x is equals to 1 because this inequality has x is greater than equal to. So if you put x equals to 1, so this is 1 minus 1, this is 1 and this is again minus 1 and finally plus 1. So this is equals to plus 1 which is greater than 0. So in this case also this quantity is greater than 0. This means this expression is greater than 0 for all x. So in this case I can say x lies between minus infinity to infinity. For any value of x, this expression is always positive. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.